title of the story is Sam Goes Shopping. Sam is a young boy who wants to learn English better. Today, he decides to practice his English while going shopping. Sam's mum gives him a list: bread, milk, and fruit. "Remember to speak in English, Sam," his mum says with a smile. Sam puts on his shoes, grabs his shopping bag, and heads to the supermarket. When he arrives, he takes a deep breath. "Okay, I can do this," he says to himself. First, Sam walks to the bread section. He sees different kinds of bread: white bread, brown bread, and rolls. Sam thinks for a moment. "I need a loaf of bread, please," he says to the shop assistant. The assistant smiles and gives Sam a loaf of bread. "Thank you," Sam says happily. Next, Sam heads to the dairy section. He sees many cartons of milk. "I need a carton of milk," Sam says to himself, practicing the words. He picks up a carton and puts it in his bag. "This is easier than I thought," Sam thinks. Finally, Sam goes to the fruit section. He sees apples, bananas, and oranges. What fruit should I buy?" Sam wonders. He decides to get apples. I'll take 3 apples, please," he says to the man at the counter. The man smiles and gives him 3 shiny red apples. "Thank you," Sam says, proud of himself. With his shopping done, Sam walks to the checkout. The cashier scans the bread, milk, and apples. "How much?" Sam asks in English. The cashier tells him the price, and Sam pays. As Sam walks home, he feels good. He practiced his English and got everything on the list. When he arrives home, he tells his mum, "I did it, Mum! I spoke English at the store." His mum gives him a big hug. "I'm so proud of you, Sam," she says. Sam smiles, knowing that with a little practice, his English is getting better every day. Present indefinite and past indefinite tense is used in this story,